In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song.
Guys, good morning. Let's do our makeup together. Today is Sunday. I'm really excited. I want to go to church. I'm just very happy today. I want to do a red lip look, so let's go. Welcome to a new vlog. Have I said that? Yeah, we'll just later on. Let's do makeup first.
This is my story. You are my song, and all day, all night, I will sing of your faithfulness. From my spirit to my soul, until my voice re-echoes, you are worthy of my worship, worthy of my praise. From my spirit to my soul, until my voice re-echoes, you are worthy of my worship, worthy of my praise. Hey, ale, 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 chakate, ale, and ale, ale. Song, lose my all. You are worthy of my worship, worthy of my praise. May I never lose my song, may I never lose my all. You are worthy of my worship.
I'm sweating. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Sunday 10th of November 2024. I'm dressed up. Welcome to a new vlog. I know I haven't said that, but welcome to a new vlog, guys. My name is Ichimofo Ifeanyi Victoria. Welcome to my vlog. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like. I hope you comment. I hope you subscribe. I hope you take your popcorn and chill and rest here. Anyway, I'm dressed for church. It's 10:08. My church is by 10. See how I'm late? In fact, Sunday school is by 9, but second service starts by 10. See how late I am? But I wanted to introduce you guys to the vlog. Come with me to church. Happy Sunday. I have said that most times. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but God bless you. Thank you for choosing to stop by. Let's go to church, okay? Yeah, yesterday I was arranging the house because my friend is coming over today to stay for a few days. So she's going to come later in the day. Hopefully we are able to go out and then I'll also vlog that. But yeah, let's go to church, guys. God bless you. Hi guys, so I'm back from church. I wasn't able to vlog in church. My phone went off, like even before I left home. As soon as I made the YouTube video, I wanted to make like a small reel. It did not allow me. I just rested. I didn't even take it to church because it switched off. My phone has been misbehaving for a little while now. Send help. But yeah, I'm back. My friend says she's an hour away. She shared her in-drive location with me. My mom is making food. Everybody is happy. It is Sunday. It is hot. There's no light. I don't know, it rained yesterday, so there's no light. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? I hope you guys can see me.
Did you see that this thing?
Did I see what?
That K-drama on YouTube. The Nigerian K-drama.
I mean, when I saw them laughing about it on TikTok, I said
the
never
hate.
Nigerian or Yoruba.
Me, I don't mind them using the Korean language, right? Because it was not like a challenge of how much can you speak the language.
No, I
And
mind.
there's this girl. You know, the problem is
You
the
watched
main
it.
girl.
Why?
No, I didn't watch it.
Why? But why did you watch it?
Because there's the second lead in that movie. I've been following her on Instagram. Her name is Grace Angel. She's a polyglot. She can speak Spanish. She's actually fluent in the Korean. I feel like the mess
awkward.
she's busty. The Anna, it's a Korean. Oh, and they said the plot was somehow. So me, I applaud them trying to.
I should have
speak
known that
English.
this won't taste so great. It's Charlotte. It's child guts. It's not bad, but it tastes like juice.
One of our commanding officers tried to convince me to drink wine. Get to my speaker.
You like this one? Try.
Oh, God bless you.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Radisson Blue. We are here, Radisson Blue. We're driving in. Oh snap, oh snap. It's so cute. It's so cute. I like the water fountain, guys. It's so clear. I hate this plain dot. It always makes me feel like cramped. Take this out. Take that aside.
After meeting you, how do I think about you day and night? It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her are tight, so happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind, imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life.
Hi guys. So today is Thursday, 21st of November, and I haven't spoken to you guys in a little bit. The last time we saw was when we went for the seminar, and I feel like even between the days before that, there was, I didn't talk to you guys for a little bit too. So yeah, I've been kind of away for this vlog. Reasons being my phone. Hey God, I don't know what's happening. I've repaired this phone like twice now, and the money is not small money. I don't have energy again. At this point, I'm kind of tired. But let me show you guys what we got from the conference before I start rambling. First off, we got this coffee mug. It was in this cute bag. So they gave me a coffee mug. They gave me some sample drugs. Gave me some sample drugs. They gave me a jotter, and they gave me some pens. Hold on. Yeah, they gave me some pens. Um, Majorly, then we ate. I wasn't even able to vlog properly, like I said, because this phone was shocking me. I didn't even take pictures. I didn't take pictures, and I really liked that it was already seen blue. It was fine. I saw my colleagues. I saw some friends. Oh, I saw one of my sweethearts, and I haven't seen her in like a year or two, and it was such a refreshing time. But anyway, I'm dressed up. I'm going to the market. I have some perfume orders from my customers. They're returning customers, so I'm really excited. Yeah, guys, let's go and have a wonderful day, okay? Come with me. Bye bye. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. Today is Sunday. If my voice sounds low, it's because I'm a bit tired. Yesterday I was off duty, thankfully. So I rested, but I did go out to the market. I couldn't vlog because my phone has been bad for a few months now. I have been managing it. Like I remember in like 2 or 3 vlogs ago, I was mentioning to you guys how I had to format my entire phone, so I lost a lot of clips. Well, this time around, it started getting really bad this week, and I was just trying to like maneuver. Even though I had a lot of interesting things, like when we went out to the seminar, I couldn't even vlog properly, um, and whatnot. Even when I went out to the market to get things for my like clients, I couldn't vlog either. So I just got frustrated, and yesterday I took it to a repairman. I have repaired it prior to now, but this time I took it to another person because the last person tried repairing it, even though it cost me money, but he still didn't get the work done. So this guy, I think he actually did a wonderful job because he hasn't tweaked since yesterday. Anyway, today is Sunday and it's 9:35. It's 24th November. My birthday is coming soon. I'm really excited about that. However, another thing that has really bothered me and why I have not been very enthusiastic, honestly, in picking up my phone to even forcefully vlog, in as much as the phone itself is frustrating, is that I lost a really close friend this week. He was like one of the when someone is your G, I don't know how to explain, but when someone is your guy and went to university together, it's just very sad. I just feel like the emotions are plenty. I don't feel excited to put out this vlog. it being a major reason, like my friend loss being a major reason why I don't feel so excited, because there's also the guilt of like moving on, if that makes sense. But I will put out the vlog. Maybe it will go up next week, Sunday, or I might put it up this week. I don't know. I don't know, honestly. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I hope you like, follow, share, all that lovely stuff. I don't know. I'm just angry. You know, like Mickey was a really cool person, and he had like huge plans for his future. So it's just like, wow, is that how life is? Just like that? Just cease to exist. And now, obviously, I'm a Christian, so I hold true to the word of God that He is with God at the moment. So, and that comfort at this time. I'm going to go ahead and sign out now. Thank you guys that follow me. I don't take it for granted. Every single time I sit down to say a video, like to say this in a video, I actually genuinely mean it. As of today, we are 450, and I can't believe that every time I put out a video, at least 50 of you guys will watch, and it's just amazing to see. Yeah, I'm tired emotionally a bit. There are things to look forward to, but it's just, I wish my friend didn't die. Yeah, see you guys some other time.